The primary focus of our instructional video series is to teach you how to be unique. Dr. Van Tharp, in his book Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom, talked about the fact that successful traders make money because they first learn and define who they are as traders, and then they found a trading system, a trading plan that fit that definition. You need to ask yourself the questions about how you protect your capital, especially if the market goes against you. Where and when do you take your profits? How much are you going to buy or sell when you get the signal? We want to talk about position sizing. And this method that you're using, is it designed for a specific market, or will it work across forex, futures, options, stocks, ETFs, whatever your investment vehicle is going to be? And then the most important question is, in the end, does all of this fit who you are? Again, first define who you are, and then find a system to fit that. So that's what we're trying to do in our instructional video series. Our video curriculum comes in 3 series to help you achieve that ability to think uniquely about the market. In our first series, we're going to really talk about the building blocks. We want to make sure you understand chart patterns, technical analysis, portfolio management, and then one of the most overlooked aspects of trading, which is the psychology of trading. How do you handle wins? Do you get confident and then take some trades you shouldn't, thinking that you can never lose? And then how do you handle losses? Do you let that loss bring you down and you're scared to take the next trades? All of that is defined in our first video series. And then as we go into our second, we're going to focus on the trading plan. And this is where we're really going to talk about defining who you are, defining trades and risk that fit who you are. And then we want to find out how we're determining market direction. This is obviously important because the trend is your friend. Are we trading with the trend? Are we trading against the trend? And then location. Where are good places to look at support and resistance to find entries and exits for our trades? And then triggers. What are we going to look for? Once we find direction, once we know where we want to trade, what is going to be that last trigger, that last confirmation that says get in or out of our trade? And then once we're in a trade, we define our risk-reward ratio. How do we manage the trade once we're in? And then the third part of our video curriculum is to bring it all together. We want to once again talk about all the trading setups, how we can use market internals as another confirmation filter, how it affects our trades, and then we want to help you define and learn and how to incorporate the routines and checklists of successful traders, specifically by using trading journals. Right now, we have a great offer for you. You can get unlimited access to all 3 video series for $249. But we're not just going to let you buy and never see you again. We want to throw in a bonus 1 coaching session, 1 hour, where we'll get there. Any question that you have, we'll get you caught up to speed. We'll answer your questions and make sure that you're on a solid foundation as you continue to grow as a trader. Remember, it doesn't really matter if you purchase the latest trading system, if you see a new technical indicator in the Wall Street Journal, or if you have the ability to already analyze high probability setups. If you don't pull the trigger, our video series is about teaching you to be unique and teaching you how to feel comfortable in building the psychological capital to pull the trigger.